Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the reactive oxygen species. So the first one being we look at the radicals, so especially in oxygen species. There's a superoxide. The superoxide is the antioxidant being the vitamin C. Then comes the SOD. The hydroxyl, it is going to be the vitamin C as well as the glutathione. This is for the hydroxyl. The hydroperoxyl, peroxyl. This is it contains the vitamin C, vitamin E, as well as the glutathione, the carotenoid, and the ubiquinol. Next is the alkoxide. Alkoxide contains the vitamin C. The peroxide, it contains the vitamin C, the vitamin E, as well as the glutathione, carotenoid, and the ubiquinol. So peroxyl has many, that is vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, carotenoid, and the ubiquinol. Alkoxyl contains the vitamin C. Next is the singlet. The singlet oxygen is nothing but the vitamin C and also the carotenoid. Now we move on to the non-radical. Non-radical is the H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. So the antioxidant here is nothing but the vitamin C, the glutathione, as well as the catalase. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.